Ego Power Plus Electric Riding Lawnmower, 42-inch deck, cordless tractor, includes 6 56V 6.0 Ah batteries and charger. Brand, Ego Power Plus. Power source, battery powered. Material, other. Color, green. Style, 42-inch tractor with 6 6.0 Ah batteries. Item weight, 640 pounds. Cutting width, 42 inches. Operation mode, automatic. Assembly required, yes. Power of gas. This Ego riding mower is engineered to deliver the equivalent of 21 horsepower and mows at up to 6 miles per hour. Cuts up to 1.5 acres on a single charge. The Ego riding lawnmower cuts up to 1.5 acres on a single charge with 6 included 56V 6.0 Ah batteries. Add more batteries to cut 3, 4, 5, or as many acres as needed. Customize your ride. Lawn Tractor includes a digital display including 3 blade settings, 3 drive speeds, and cruise control. 12 deck heights. Adjust the 42-inch stamped steel deck's cutting height across 12 settings from 1.5 to 4.5 inches. 2 anti-scalp wheels are included. Dual brushless cutting motors. The motor features belt-free brushless motors for added durability and minimal maintenance compared to gas riding motors.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.